With Razer's recent interest in making non-gaming headphones, I've decided to review and compare both the old Opus and the new one from Razer. What's up everyone, and welcome back to Tech Up. We all know Razer has been making gaming headphones for quite some time now, and they either been a hit or a miss for gamers. With that said, Razer is trying to add to their market segment by getting into non-gaming headphones, but they are still sticking to the same over-the-ear, closed-back dynamic design that they've been making. But it seems like with these headphones, they are intended for the gamers out there that would like to have a nice pair when they travel or commute. I think that's who they're for, and that's my guess, but I don't want to jump to conclusions. Anyways, I'll be covering a good amount out of these two headphones, so feel free to skip ahead to any part that you want to see in this review. So, last year, Razer came out with the Opus headphones, which came in at $200 a pair, and they are still going for $200 a pair retail. But this year, they came out with a new version called the Opus X headphones, and it's $100 cheaper than the Opus headphones from last year. Considering the price tag, there are several major differences. Besides the weight, since both weigh in at 270 grams, but I'll go over everything about these two headphones and what they have to offer. But before I get into the important aspects of comparing the two headphones side by side with how they sound and what features they have, I'll go over what you'd be getting when unboxing them. For the Opus headphones in 2020, you either have the option to get them in black or an exclusive Bape Edition pair. And when you unbox this pair, you'll receive a carrying case with the headphones, a 3.5mm analog cable, and USB-A to USB-C charging cable, along with a airplane headphone adapter. Last but not least, you'll also receive the usual manuals and Razer sticker. As for the new Opus X headphones, you'll have the option to choose between three color options, either green, quartz, or mercury, and in the box you'll receive the headphones and only the USB-A to USB-C charging cable, along with the manuals and Razer stickers. Now, if you're wondering why the Opus X headphones don't include an analog cable or the airplane headphone adapter like in the other pair, it's because the Opus X headphones have only one connection, and that's Bluetooth. As for the regular Opus headphones, you can either connect them via Bluetooth or use a 3.5mm analog cable and connect it to the audio socket on the headphones. In terms of other big visual differences out of the box that can be seen between these two headphones, it's that Razer Opus headphones are THX certified, hence the THX logo on the ear cups. And that means that these headphones are certified to offer ultra high quality digital sound playback. THX certification basically is the gold standard for audio, and that's what you'd be getting with the Opus headphones. Now, when jumping into the headphones, the similarities between them are that both have the same button layout on the right ear cup. The buttons include a power button, status indicator that shows when the headphones are powered on and off, as well as when the battery is charged, low on juice or critically low. After that, you do have a volume up or volume down button and a center button that will play a role in pausing and playing tracks, as well as answering calls with one click or rejecting calls by holding it for 2 seconds. One feature that the Opus X headphones have over the Opus headphones is enabling and disabling gaming mode, which helps with providing low audio latency for gaming or watching movies. And to activate it, you'd have to hold down the center button for 5 seconds. You can also double press or triple press the center button for skipping or playing previous tracks on both pairs of headphones. Also, both of these headphones have 2 mics for voice chatting, but when it comes down to active noise cancellation, the Opus has 2 more additional mics compared to the Opus X headphones. By including 2 additional mics in the Opus pair, these headphones offer hybrid noise cancellation technology, where it combines feed-forward cancellation, which is in the Opus X headphones, and feedback cancellation to give the best noise attenuation frequency coverage, and the lowest chances of feedback, aka the best noise cancellation you can get. So if you're looking for better noise cancellation, the Opus headphones will be better than the Opus X headphones. And to activate active noise cancellation, you can activate or deactivate it by clicking the power button on the headphones when they are turned on so you can be able to use it. Both of these headphones also provide ambient mode, which can be activated on the power button as well if you'd like to hear something on the outside of your headphones when you're wearing them. Also, all these features and options for these headphones can be toggled and adjusted as well with the Razer's audio app that can be found and downloaded in the App Store, if you want to toggle between these features on your phone. Now, it's time for the in-depth review. For those that would like to know the comfort and stability for these headphones, both are a good and stable fit. However, the Opus headphones clamp better and are more secure on the head than the Opus X headphones, and that's partially because the slide bar on the headband locks more securely in place than the slide bar on the Opus X headphones. Oh, and another difference between these headphones, which I didn't mention earlier, is that the Opus headphones have the ability to fold more with these swivel hinges on them, compared to the Opus X headphones, which don't have these hinges, and that essentially makes the Opus headphones more compact and portable compared to the Opus X's. In addition to comfort, the cushions on the Opus headphones are of higher quality and feel a lot more premium and comfortable compared to the Opus X headphones. The cushions are much smoother on the Opus headphones when compared to the Opus X's. However, both are made of protein leather and feel completely different to the touch. If you're wondering what material the headband and ear cups are made out of, it's plastic. But the plastic on the Opus headphones is much nicer since it's a lot smoother to the touch than the Opus X headphones, which have a more coarse feel to them. Now, when wearing both of these headphones, the breathability over an hour or two of wearing them can make your ears run warm. Using these casually will be fine, but if you're planning on exercising in these, beware, your ears will get sweaty. As for the sound tests of these headphones, both are well balanced, but when it comes down to which sound profile is better, I have to give it to the Opus headphones, since they are more refined than the Opus X headphones. The highs and mids are good on both, but the Opus headphones have slightly better highs and mids since they don't distort in this range like the Opus X's did after running various tests. The highs were more likely to encounter distortion on the Opus X's than on the regular Opus headphones. Also, both of them have great peak and dips as well as treble accuracy. At times, I have to say that some vocals and main instruments in tracks were dull on both, but even more toned down on the Opus X headphones. As for the lows, they are decent for portable Bluetooth headphones, but don't expect both of these to be bass cannons by any means. They do have accurate bass accuracy, with the range being even and consistent, but when I tested both of them, I didn't notice any differences in the bass or lows. Like I said earlier, with the bass accuracy, both of them were also even and consistent with the lows. As for the imaging on both of these headphones, they were great. The stereo imaging on both had accurate placement with vocals, instruments, and effects. However, the soundstage, as you can guess, wasn't great since most closed-back headphones provide that unnatural feel of a large size soundstage. As for the battery on these headphones, both came in at 40 hours of use when not using the active noise cancellation, but when you activated active noise cancellation on them, the Opus X's came in around 30 hours, and the regular Opus headphones came in around 32 hours. In conclusion, there are some major differences between these two headphones, and some similarities. But when using both of these headphones, I have to say there is a clear winner here when it comes to quality, sound, and features, and that's the original Opus headphones. But that's no surprise since it packs more features and more items for a better experience, like the 3.5mm analog cable that's lengthy and can be used with a USB DAC/headphone amplifier, and I have to say a Dragonfly like this one really added a more fuller and richer sound to the headphones. You can't get that experience with the Opus X headphones. In the end, the extra $100 towards a pair of Opus headphones can deliver on a better experience and performance. compared to the Opus X headphones. If you're someone that wants good quality sound with over-the-ear Bluetooth headphones, then the Opus headphones are the ones. But if you're a gamer that still wants the same features or qualities like the Opus headphones without the need for the best sound and low audio latency when watching movies or gaming, then these are a great option with a smaller price tag. That's the best way I can really differentiate these two headphones. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this review and comparison. If you liked the video, hit that subscribe button for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next one.